If you're thinking about getting a solo stove for your tabletop, this is the video for you.
Welcome, it's Denson DIY, and today we're going to be unboxing, setting up, and showing you the SoloStove with our Denson Do It All name imprinted into it.
Now the first thing we noticed right out of the box is everything is immaculately packaged. We love the little carrying bag it came with. We love the stand it has. Everything was packed in perfectly. Now as we're setting the actual Mesa XL into its base, I wanted to take a moment to say we got this as a gift to ourselves years ago when we hit 500 subs on our main channel, Dad and Son Do It All. So we appreciate everyone in our community and wanted to say thank you. For this particular burn, we are using the wood pellets. However, we traditionally use a mix of the pellets and sticks, but this is how we wind up some paper so we can light it. We like this method because it burns all the way through and creates a more consistent fire. So grab out your favorite lighter, light your paper, let it burn down, have a little patience, and before you know it, you'll have this amazing tabletop fire. And the only thing left to do is to sit back, relax, and enjoy the outdoors. Now, as this is going, you'll see that this has an amazingly clean, smokeless burn. We love this tabletop pit, especially for our front yard. But if you'd like to see more, we actually picked up several of the accessory packs for making s'mores and a heat deflector. So check back and be sure to subscribe so you can see us set those up and use all those items too. We appreciate you. We hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day and all our best.